Hi, Jeff Fulkerson here. We're here in Quartzite, and if you want rocks, this is the place. I have a client who wants a new Porcelain Jasper inlay cuff, and I don't have any, so I'm looking for Porcelain Jasper. But I'm here in Glenn Archer's tent. He's Australian outback mining, and he's got all these fabulous rocks and minerals from Australia. And basically, if you want Variscite, this is the best Variscite there is. He's got it. And tiger iron and just incredible stuff. But you can get slabs, you can get rough rocks, you can get polished slabs, you can get cabochons, and the variety just goes on and on and on and on. So anyway, just wanted to give you a little hint of what's going on, and if you can get down to Quartzite, you should come. So I'm going to go look for some Porcelain Jasper. Wish me luck. Okay, we got a hot tip. Ignacio said Diego has some, but he's not sure where he is, so we're looking for his trailer and see if we can get some Porcelain Jasper.
Good to see you, man. Stay here, buddy. We'll see you again.
You don't have any Porcelain Jasper, do you?
Yes, we do.
Follow me. I'll follow you. Ah, we found it.
There you go.
Thank you, brother.
You betcha.
Success. Look at this. Wow.
Just depends what you're looking for.
Well,
There is.
you have the picture show.
Show them the picture. There is some stuff.
Okay. We're trying to find these pieces that have orbs.
Look at this one.
Kind of
That's a
spirals.
spray bottle.
So this is beautiful stuff.
I think I tucked it. Oh yeah, it's right behind you on
cut
that
up
rock.
really nice, but it's not. It doesn't have.
Hello. How y'all doing?
Right, thanks.
Your puppy's got a. It's just so cute. Like he's like a little owl
That's
person.
what we're looking for.
Yeah, he is.
Hey, found our Porcelain Jasper. Got what we needed. Hopefully it'll slab up really nicely and we can make our cuff. So now the pressure's off. We can just relax and look at all the fun stuff here in Quartzite.